What you got going on here, Bob?
LG stuff.
Yeah.
Trying to make stuff fit.
You didn't like what you had, huh?
2.5s are tough to fit when you have narrow axles.
Ah.
Nothing we can do with axles. You got a set of wheel spacers and a different set of coil towers, coil over towers, which now we got to fit these and recycle it and see what else is in the way.
It's a big old axle in there.
Yep.
Yeah.
East Coast Gear Supply. It's good parts, but should have been 69 or 70 wide, not 67.
A little bit wider would have helped. Hey, Joel, Conrad says, you know, a head gasket sounds like code for a big block motor swap.
Not in that.
Not in that.
Maybe.
Hemi. Hola, Christopher Frizzell and Jennifer Beck. How are you doing, Christopher? Hope you're on the mend. What do we got dinging the doorbell back here? What's going on this way? Not a whole lot, huh? That old truck.
It's getting a completely new brake system. Everything on it.
Every day, Chris is getting better. That's good. So yeah, I saw Daniel working on that rear, the brake system. Probably was
a few pieces, and then it'll be done.
A rusty bucket, huh?
It's not horrible as compared to a Midwest version.
Right. What year do you think this thing is?
78, I think.
78. Yeah. Old Ranger. Yeah. Little car over there. Daniel knocks things out pretty fast. He's a pretty good mechanic. So. What are these for?
Those are out of a truck we scrapped. So that's all 3/4 ton running gear that's going in a 91 or 92 Chevy Blazer.
Where's this Chevy Blazer?
Ben Mayhem's newest
project. Oh.
We're gonna upgrade him to a little bigger drivetrain.
What year Chevy Blazer?
91 or 92.
Oh.
92, I think.
Oh, good.
Which you'll by default get a gearing upgrade from the 307s or whatever god awful thing Chevy thought was a good idea in them. Since this was a manual transmission 3/4 ton truck, it's got 373s or 410s. I haven't ran the numbers yet.
Haven't opened it up.
You'll get a gearing upgrade out of the deal. Parts.
What else we got going on?
It's working.
Oh, a lot. You're done with your parking lot construction, so now you can.
I'm tired, so
yeah.
I get to go back to things that don't make me so tired.
We hired somebody to do the job, and Bob ends up being the guy taking over, because little incompetence doesn't set well with Bob. So
done my way or hit the highway.
What's our next project, though?
Probably in the spring, rework some garage doors so we get bigger doors, taller doors, not mismatched doors, all that OCD stuff.
That drives us both crazy.
Yeah.
And new skin on that side.
Yeah, reskin the front, do a little trim work.
We could do that.
Some new signs.
We could probably,
over there.
If it stays nice, we could probably replace a man door here or there in the next few weeks.
Yeah, I got doors coming apart, so.
Yep. Do a little shop maintenance.
Yep.
Projects wise, you're gonna finish up this LJ.
Yeah, that's not one. Then Rex, if Pat's watching, obviously is not up front. We had to push it in the back because these 2 bays were the only ones we could do automotive repair in while the other 4 were closed.
Yeah.
Because we did our concrete work in 2 stages. So we were fixing cars over here, so all the Jeep stuff had to get out of the way. So we stuffed Rex in the back
So-
again
So
for a minute.
the TJ Trail Boss and Rex are back there, but then we can bring Rex back around.
Yeah, next week sometime once I can drive on the concrete again, because we had to push this one in
Before
with
we
the skid
poured.
steer,
Yeah, before we poured.
through the dirt and mud
Yeah.
to get it back inside before it got landlocked with new concrete. So
So button that one
pushing one dead Jeep was enough. I wasn't pushing two dead Jeeps. So
Yeah.
Rex has waited
Yeah.
this long, another couple of weeks ain't gonna kill it.
So,
as soon as that's cleared up, we'll get it back up front.
and our travels are pretty much done, other than Thanksgiving we'll be in Wisconsin.
Yeah, for a whirlwind tour.
Christmas we'll be in Kentucky.
For an even faster tour.
Yeah.
I still think you're nuts for doing that in the amount of time we're doing it, but
Well, we'll see what we can do. And then we're into 24 already.
yep. First thing on 24, it's not on the website yet, but dates have been set. My annual winter trip for exploring is 22 to 26 that week
Of January?
of January. Southern Arizona, go see some cool cactus, get out of the snow and cold for a week or more.
Usually you leave me behind with
Yeah.
needing a snowblower.
Not
Yeah.
in January. We got a new plow truck, so you're good to go now.
Yeah, whatever. I'll just stay home. I'm okay with that too.
Not authorized. You have vehicles that can drive through it. About anything that Mother Nature throws at you.
But I'm the boss. I can do what I want.
Whatever.
So,
And I don't know what's going on. We've been talking about a schedule and a calendar, but haven't got everything nailed
No.
out yet.
no, nothing in January, I don't think.
Winter 4x4 Jamboree is the week prior to.
But that's, well, I mean, if you want to go, but that's always hard to get there and back, it seems, every
Can
time we
be.
try.
For us.
Oh, Chris thought your January one went into February.
No, 22 to 26.
22, 26, Chris. Yeah, Tanner and I haven't laid that out yet. We got, and
We are traveling more next year with TNT. If that would ever get done.
still looking for another body. That body would help a lot to get that one done. Somebody want to come fabricate, that'd be wonderful.
Somebody want to come fix cars so I can finish it.
Oh.
That's what needs to happen.
Oh, Custom Dream 4x4. I agree, Eduardo. I'd like to come visit you.
March,
How about February? I go there.
maybe. March, we are going to Mexico.
Yep,
Taking the
but not by Eduardo.
taking the
Maybe that's Puerto
Dysol
Rico. Yeah.
across the border for a 3 couples trip, private tour thing. Get our feet wet in overlanding in Mexico.
Hey, Tyler.
So
You know, the beginning of the year marks how many years TNT's been in business? 18?
20,
No, the 5th. So 19.
19.
January of this year is
Starts the
19th
19th
year. And so January of 25, we'll have to have a big 20th anniversary thing or something like that.
Unless one of you folks out there wants the keys, just bring me a check. I will give you the keys. Oh, so I'm done. See ya.
He wouldn't know what to do.
Oh, I'd find something.
Yeah, Tanner, I was wondering why you were calling me while we were doing TNT Tuesday. We're all screwed up with this time change. Anybody else out there think that this country...
Vote wisely. Talk to your representative.
Let's
Get rid of
eliminate
this
that.
shit.
It's so stupid.
It's stupid.
I was awake at 4 o'clock this
Yeah.
morning.
And it's dark here because we're so far north. It's dark. At
Joel wants to
4:30.
borrow a check.
Yeah.
Sorry, Joel, it doesn't work that way. No,
I need a check
no.
on your account.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
doesn't bounce.
right. Yeah.
So lots of zeros, in case
Yeah.
you were wondering.
Other than that, well, new calendar. I can't converse with Tammy for the next 3 days. She just called me. She got selected for jury duty, so she's out for 3 days. Minimum. She gets lunch break and a little break in between. So Tammy's out for a few days, unfortunately. See, Vince, I thought they got it passed to get rid of it, but when? When?
Our illustrious leadership in DC screwed that up somehow.
Maybe next year? We all hope.
Yeah,
I Googled it. Only 40% of the world does daylight savings. 60% does not. I hate the fall one.
Yeah.
I hate the fall one. Where we get done with work at dark.
We're so far north here, it's dark at 4:30, and by solstice, it is dark at 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
Which is only 6 weeks away or whatever.
Yeah, I know, Joel. Great state of Arizona doesn't do it. Tanner, I've been in 4 different time zones, it seems like, last month. Yeah, you've been everywhere, Tanner. Everywhere. Now he gets a little break. And then, like I said, Christmas, Thanksgiving. So we got to lay out where you're going to go next year, Tanner. And where we're going to go. We already know we're going to some. Tanner booked us, what was it? S'more?
S'more for one, and the other one was Great Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion thing.
Yeah.
Which we won't be at the show, because
we'll just be there.
You don't want to know my opinion on that. We will be out at Windrock in the motorhome. So if you're coming, plan ahead to Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion or whatever it's called. Stop there, shake some hands, kiss some babies, and come out to Windrock and we'll go wheeling, because that's where we'll be.
We gotta get that Tuesday done.
Yeah. If all goes to
Tanner's
the plan,
got the list,
which always has revisions. I can't keep track of the revisions anymore, but we will have Rex and my TJ at Windrock for Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion. I don't know if Pat knows that or not, but I'm taking it.
I'm going to have to put Jake and Jason over here for the next month or two. Knock stuff out.
Need to get some motivation first.
Well, can you motivate them with a size 14?
You don't want that to happen, because you may be without a designer.
So, Vince, I'm hoping you're at Windrock too. We got to get you a few more things so you can get your stuff all done. Tanner, Daniel, what plan? You got a plan, Tanner? I don't know. I hear my stomach growling though.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah?
So the LJ at Ryan, if you're in here or coming later or whatever, I don't know how that works, but if all goes well in the next day and a half, we'll be on final suspension before I get home on Thursday, because I don't work this Friday.
Oh, you think?
Oh, guaranteed.
Oh, you think?
Guaranteed I'm not here. I will be out on the range.
Oh, you're going to be watching children?
No.
Because once again, there's no school. Seat of my pants.
It is Veterans Day this Friday, so make sure you observe.
Oh, yeah.
I got solstice stuck in my head, and it ain't solstice. Armistice. I can never say it. The treaty, whatever. 11 o'clock on 11/11 was when World War II officially ended.
Yeah.
So.
Yes, David. I guess he's long overdue for some pew-pew action.
Yeah.
So.
Well, and I have some stuff to blow up.
And it's
going to be cool.
I already know, and I don't like it.
Melon.
I'm sure he's going to make a video.
Our son is moving out of his current apartment, townhome, whatever, into a house. And while in the process of cleaning and, moving, and it's like, oh, what are we doing with all this stuff?
He's getting rid of a lot of children's things.
There was a whole box of toys that aren't making the move, and I'm like, ooh, I want that one. Like, Dad, what do you want that for?
He took a cocoa melon.
300 yards.
Cocoa melon. He's going to shoot cocoa melon. That's just wrong. This is wrong. We can never show Cade. He'll cry. He won't like it. But, all right, on that cheery note of Bob and his little shooting extravagance, we're going to sign off for this Tuesday, and we will tune in again next week and see what's happening.
Hopefully have LJ.
Yeah, maybe the LJ will be driving.
Oh, hell no.
Oh.
Fully welded chassis on suspension is the goal.
Okay.
Then we got to figure out bumps. And waiting on Jolene to make aluminum links. But in the meantime, we can be plumbing and wiring and fitting more body armor that doesn't fit from California, and starting to powder coat some of those parts.
Oh yeah,
and
yeah.
We got a couple weeks yet before this one's up and running, but
good deal.
We're getting closer. The whole construction thing kind of threw a wrench in the game plan, but you'll have that. So
yeah, like every construction project. Oh, it only take a week, and it took 2.5.
Yeah.
So, alrighty, we're gonna sign off.
Yep. Lunchtime.
Have a great day. Bye.